Hello everyone, are you alright? Dear scholar, at the first, it's been nice meeting you. Let's move on to the poem, dear scholar. Now this time I have poem for you, Animals, that has been penned by Walt Whitman. This is the picture of poet Walt Whitman. He was an American poet. Alright, dear scholar. Moving on, extract 1. Exam practice extract. Alright, dear scholar. Alright, let's move. Extract 1. This is extract 1. Let's see. Stanza 1. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid, self-contained. I stand and look at them long and long. Dear scholar, Walt Whitman, the poet, compares the life of animal to human beings. Alright? Walt Whitman tells us that animals are so placid. They are placid media scholar, calm, quiet, or you could say peaceful. They scholar Walt Whitman, the poet, wants to turn and live with animals. In fact, he wishes to become an animal. Okay? He wants to live with animals. Why? The reason is animals are calm. They are peaceful. They are self-contained. They are self-confident. They are self-controlled. Okay, they do not complain about their condition. They are happy. This is the reason. Okay, the poet gives them. The poet keeps on watching them long and long. Alright? R and R. Let's quickly revise, dear scholar. The poet praises animals. Okay. Poet wishes to turn in, and live with animals. The poet wants to live with animals, because they are calm. They are self-contained. Alright. Now moving on question. Name the poet. Dear scholar, who is the poet of this poem? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Option 1 is right. Walt Whitman. The right option is Walt Whitman. Moving on next question. Who are placid, self-contained, calm and peaceful? The answer is animals. Right? Of course. Right option is animals. Alright. Now moving on next question. Find the word from the passage which mean same as serene. This column, the pronunciation is serene, S-E-R-E-N-E, serene. Okay, the serene. Serene means what? Calm, quiet, peace. Okay, peaceful. Number 1 option, self-contained, placid, wine, demented. The right option is here, sit, placid. Alright. Moving on next. Number D. Who looks at the animal for a long time? The right option is 1. Zookeeper. Not at all. Second, not at all. Option 3rd is right. The poet. Who looks at the animal for a long time? The right option is 3rd, the poet. Dear scholar, now moving on next slide. Next extract. Alright, next extract. Next slide. Again. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained and I stand and look at them long and long. This color. extract 1 we have read. Okay, same extract is here. Okay, the question might be changed. All right, let's see. Question: the poet wants to leave animals because of their dash nature. The option is right option. They are cooperative. They are cooperative. Moving on next. The poet wishes to live with animals because they are happy, friendly, content, mean. These color, there are 4 options. We'll have to select or choose one. It's absolutely right. The right option is here, content. Okay, they are content, satisfied. Right. Moving on next, animals are peaceful and dash. Option: satisfied, placid, intelligent, harmless. The answer is right answer is what is right answer? Placid. Alright. Moving on next, who seem to be self-contained? Animals, human beings, bird, tree. The right option, animals. They are self-contained, self-controlled. Alright, dear scholar. Let's quickly revise. I think I could turn. Dear scholar, the poet wants to live among with animal. His desire, what he wishes to live with animals. He turn and live with animals because they are so placid and self-contained. Alright. Now moving on next slide. Well, question 3, extract based on exam practice. Alright. They do not sweat and whine about their conditions. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. This called further, the poet tells us that they do not sweat and whine. Yes, because sweat and whine, it means complain, cry, or you can say complain. This called animals, talking about virtue of animals, quality of positiveness. Okay, good quality of animals. As earlier I told you that the poet feels more comfortable in the company of animals because why? They do not complain, sweat and whine. They do not complain about their situation, about their condition like human being do so. Human being, they keep on complaining. Okay, but animals, they don't do. Okay, they do not complain about their situation. Okay, they do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sin. Therefore, animals, they have good sleep. On the other hand, humans, they don't have good sleep at night. Okay, they don't weep for their sins. Sins means they call for wrong action, misdeed. But humans, they repent. Okay, they feel guilty. They take stress if they did mistakes or they did crime. Therefore, they don't have good sleep at night. They do not make mistake discussing their duty to God. This scholar talking about animals, quality of animals. They are pure. They do not need to pray to God to forgiveness for forgiveness or to fulfill their desires. Right? Well, human beings, they are worried about their future. Okay, but animals, they are not worry about their future. They don't ask more and more to God, but human beings, they ask more and more. They pray to God to ask more and more to fulfill their desires. God, please give me this, please give me that. Okay, but animals, they are pure. They do not need to pray to God. Alright, now moving on, question 1. Question based on extract. This girl, as you are watching, this is the picture of humans. Okay, what are they doing? They are praying to God for asking more. They ask more and more. Okay, Now let's see question. Who does the pronoun they stand for? Okay. Who does the pronoun they stand for? The answer animals. First one human beings, birds, animals, trees. Well, dear scholar, let's quickly revise. They do not sweat fine. They do not complain about their condition. Okay. They do not awake. They do not lie awake in the dark. Okay. Animals are truthful. Whereas humans are false. Alright. Let's see question. Who does pronoun they stand for? Animals. The answer is animals. Moving on next question. Who weep for their sins? Human beings, animals, birds, trees. Obviously human beings. Dear scholar, animals they do not weep at night for their sins if they committed mistakes, for wrongdoings, misdeed. Dear scholar, sins means misdeed or wrong action. Okay? They accept if they committed mistakes. Who? Animals. Therefore, they have good sleep at night. Alright? Who weep for their sin? Then who weep? Humans. Human beings weep for their wrong action. Therefore, they don't have good sleep at night. Alright, dear scholars. Yes. Moving on next question. They do not dash and whine about their condition. Okay, they do not dash, sweat and whine. Dear scholar, it means to cry or complain. Okay, sweat and whine. It means to cry or complain. Moving on next question. Who do not discuss their duty to God? Obviously animals. They are pure. Why? The reason is they are pure. Animals are pure. They do not need to pray to God for forgiveness or ask to fulfill their desires like humans. Okay. The question, who do not discuss their duty to God? Obviously animals. Why? Because they are pure. Alright. Moving on next. Extract 4. Next extract is J scholar 4. Let's read extract. They bring me token of myself. The events, J scholar events means what? So. Okay. They plainly, clearly in their position. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge time ago and negligently dropped them? Day scholar further poet says that they bring me tokens of my day scholar tokens means what symbol. Okay. Quality. Animals has what? Which virtue? They have virtue of calmness. They are calm. We can say quiet or you could say also peaceful. Okay. They have virtue of calmness, modesty, innocent, truthful. They are honest. Alright. Okay. These all the virtue. Okay. A long time. Okay. Long years ago you could say in the past, in the ancient time. Once who had humans had. But these days these all virtue are to be found in animals. Okay. Here I hear not only the poet or narrator, but in general human being. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge time ago and negligently dropped them? This scholar he wishes to tell us the quality in the past we had humans had all the virtue are to be seen or to be found in the animals. Alright? How? The poet is shocked. The poet is surprised. He questioned. Okay, what question? How they got negligently, carelessly, might be humans. has given up all the virtue, and animals have preserved them. Virtue, talking about virtue. Okay, they are not greedy. Humans are greedy. Alright, dear scholar. Now moving on is question based on extract. Who brings poet? Who brings poet tokens of himself? Human beings, birds, trees, animals. Animals. The scholar this he says that what they show tokens all the virtue and he accept them. They show listen. Okay, like they show also another animals. They are equal. Alright. This scholar we are living in fake world. This poem is all about our lost values. Alright. With the passage of time, humans has given up, but animals have preserved them. Moving on next question. Who wonders how animals got this token? Okay. Tokens. Let's repeat. Who brings poet token of himself? Dear scholar, this is tokens. Alright, S. Okay. Who brings poet tokens of himself? The right option is here. Animals. Next, who wonders how animals got those tokens? Okay. Who wonders? Who wonders? The poet. Who wonders, dear scholar? The poet. Alright. Moving on next question. In the passage, what is meant by the word tokens? Dear scholar, the option right option is here virtue means quality. Alright. Moving on next question. Which word in the passage refer to carelessly? Events? Not at all. Events means do so. Possession? Tokens? The right option is here. Negligently. Carelessly. Negligently. Alright. This scholar, let's quickly revise. The poet, okay, wants to live with animals. In fact, he wishes to become an animal. Why? The reason is that animals are so blessed, self-contained, they are happy. Alright? They do not complain about their condition. These all the virtue. Okay? Who lies? Poet life. The poet life is all virtue. Alright, scholar. Therefore, he feels more comfortable in the company of animals than human beings. Alright, dear scholar. Well, you are supposed to take down in your fair notebook and learn it. Okay, dear scholars. See you later. God bless you.